Okay, here's the back of the jet ski, the Yamaha, and I'm trying to find the basket for you to have a look at, and the plate. There's the plate, bolts on, that angle piece comes off. I'll show you another view of it in a minute. So the hose goes up there, and that bit what screws together, you've got to drill a hole in the transom where the jet pump bolts up to the back of the hole. So that hose goes up there. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. It's just underneath that steering arm there. It's pretty much between the two bolts what goes through that back of the jet pump there. It's really close. I drilled it first with a really long drill, then I drilled it from the inside to make sure it didn't hit on there, if that makes sense. You can get real long extensions and drill it from this side, just make sure it misses the steering. I drill it first actually, and it feeds around. It misses not the steering, the bucket comes up there. Might see a little bit better, but yeah, it comes around easy. Anyway, have a look up here. That's what it looks like. This one come a little bit too close, so I counter sunk it and put that cap screw, tape it head on, bolt on, stainless steel, and it kicks up a little bit. But the baskets, there's all different types. Some will be loose in there, some, you know, there's 2 different types or 3 different types, I'm not sure, but I know there's a couple. I've had to modify a couple of them and make them fit. But that's basically it for that part. Here's the next part. Alright, that's a sacrificial piece of alloy. But well, basically that's the name of it, and that's what it does. Saves the engine block by creating this instead of that and the engine block. But you pull this part out, you undo the bolt in there, I think it's a 10mm. If you undo this, it'll leave this part behind. You can either take that out, put the bolt up the middle of it, and a lever off it and try to pull that piece out, but that piece will not flow if you leave it in. Alright, it's only the one bolt, and you might be able to wiggle it and put a screwdriver and pull it out, but I'll show you where that goes. So down here, you're going to be upside down for a minute. You're on the inlet manifold, right there, and I'll kick mine up. So it comes up a bit. It's a bit tricky to get to, you can get it. And that hose runs around the back there, comes around, and you can sort of see it down there. I don't know how good that view is. I'll try to get another picture. Right there. So there's plenty of room in here. Just make sure you clear the back of it. You know, you don't want to go stuffing up there, but this is how you fit the Worx set up. I've had new teeth, a bit hard to talk. So any questions, give me a buzz. But yeah, that's how it goes together. Pretty easy. Won't take you too long. About an hour. Taking it easy. Anyway, take it easy.